So hello guys, so the topic today is about rectilinear motion. So this topic is under to the dynamics of rigid bodies. May ganito rin sa physics, kumbaga dito sa dynamics guys, using integration. So merong ilang problem dito na hindi kailangan ng integration. Simple plug and play lang sa formulas. So game na natin guys. So the V is denoted as the derivative of the distance, yung S, the distance with respect to time, and the A is the acceleration, is the derivative of the velocity with respect to time. So the average velocity is that the displacement is the S2 minus S1. Ibig sabihin yan, final position minus the initial position with respect to the time interval guys, over the time interval pala. So the average speed is the total distance travel over the total time. Wherein dito guys, is the Vf is equals to Vi plus AT, S equals to VIT plus 1 half AT squared, and Vf squared equals to Vi squared plus 2AS. And this one is Vf is equals to VIT. G is for the 9.81 or 32.2 feet per second squared. So this formula is used in free falling guys. So H to. So gets? Kanina S mga distance yan. Pero dito dahil free fall na yan, vertical. So letter H tayo. Para hindi tayo malito height yun. Gets? So proceed na tayo sa ating first problem. So the car on the left in the photo in the figures. So it is straight line such that yung picture lang naman na nandito guys, since wala naman picture na nakalagay. Pero yung picture lang naman na nandito guys is that the car, ganito yung picture guys, nakalimutan lang ilagay. Yan o guys, kotse yan guys. Kotse ni Mr. Beat. Ito yung ulo. Dito yung driver. Dito yung driver no. Tapos, point O. S to S. Tapos with yan guys, ganyan yung nasa picture. Pangit. Wait lang. So, straight line such that for a short time, its velocity is defined by, so the velocity is defined by 0.60 squared plus 1 with the unit of meter per second. Hindi ko nasusulat no guys. Where T is in seconds, okay? Determine its positions, acceleration, when the time is 3 seconds daw. So, first, determine the distance. How to get the distance, guys, from this formula, guys? Yung V is the derivative of distance with respect to time. Yung V, palitan natin ng ds over dt. Is equals sa 0.60 squared plus 1. Cross multiply, ds equals to 0.60 squared plus 1. So, ano yung tinatanong, guys? With respect sa time at 3 seconds, guys. Oops. Dito ay may dt. So, wait lang. Palitan natin. Masyadong makapal. Game. Integrate natin both sides kasi variable separable naman sila. From 0, starting point, sinabi, when time is 0, S is also equals to 0 up to the final, which is denoted as S, the distance. From 0 is the initial up to what? 3 seconds. Pwede mo lagay ng 3 seconds dito. Pero as of the moment, guys, letter T muna. Para hindi tayo magkalito-lito. Gets? So, the derivative of S is ds is S with respect sa limits ng lower and upper limits is equals sa 0.60 cube all over 3. Dapat marunong na kayong mag-integral calculus, guys. From 0 to gets? So, S. So, S na lang to. S minus yung S, gagawin natin daw tong 0. Kasi upper limit minus the lower limit. Upper limit minus lower. So, yung S, substitute mo lang yung S. Tapos, minus lower limit which is 0. Equals sa, wait lang, sa calculator ko. 0.6 divided by 3 is 0.2. 0.2 yung sagot dito. Okay. 0.2 no. Wait lang no. Hindi ko muna inano yung limits dito. Sinimplify ko muna. Okay. Dito rin. Para hindi tayo malito. 0 to S. O game. 0.6 divide 3 is 0.2. So, S minus 0 is equal sa 0.2 T cube plus T. Lahat ng T, palitan daw ng T. So, T pa rin. Minus. Ito guys, minus. Lower limit which is 0. So, 0.2. Lahat ng T, palitan ng 0 plus 0. So, anything multiplied to 0 is 0 na lang to. Wala na yun. So, wala na rin to. S equals to 0.2 T cube plus T. Gets naman. So, ang tinatanong guys, determine the position at time 3 seconds daw. So, S is equals to 0. That time is 3 seconds. S is equals to 0.2 T cube plus T. So, S, yung T, palitan mo lang ng 3 plus 3. O, 0.2 times 3 cube. Wait lang. Yan. Ay, wait lang no guys. Nagka-calculator lang ako. Wala pa akong calculator app. Di ko pa alam paano i-download. Kung alam nyo guys, said video tutorial na lang. O, plus, oops, sorry. Hindi ka na natin makalimutan. This is a letter T guys. Letter T pala yun. Kala ko 1. T. Tapos ito rin T. Ito rin T. So, kung letter T yun guys, no? The integral of letter T is T squared all over 2. Oh, sana hindi kayo nalito guys. Di kasi nakita yung maliit na gitling eh. Oh, gets guys. So, ito nyan is 0 squared all over 2. So, over 2. Yan. So, squared lang to, tapos lagyan lang natin ng 2. Gets guys? So, 2 and 3 squared. So, the answer is what? 9.9 meter. 9.9 meter to guys. Gets nyo ba yung ginawa ko dito? Letter T to Ito itong binilog ko. Kala ko 1 eh. So, T. So, the integral of T. Integral of T dt. Di ba ano yan guys? Magpa-plus 1 sa taas. T. 1 plus 1. Or 1 plus 1. So, T squared all over 2. Ito yan Sana na-gets. Game. Sana tayo? Acceleration. Acceleration is unknown. At time is 3 seconds. Punta tayo sa ating formula. A is equals to dv over dt. A is dv over dt. So, ito yung wait lang, V is equals to 0.6 plus 0.6 t squared plus t. Ito yung value ng V natin, di ba? Ito, yung given na, nasa ano yun, nasa problem. Ito. Sana hindi kayo nalilito, guys. 0.6 t squared plus t. Yan, sabi, find the acceleration daw. A is equal sa dv over dt. The derivative of B with respect to time. So, kunin mo lang yung first derivative nito. Ano to? V dv over dt is equal sa acceleration equals sa ito times mo siya dito 0.6 times 2, di ba? 1.2 yan. Tapos ito magma-minus 1 ka, 2 minus 1. So 1 na lang. 1 na lang yan, 1. T raised to 1, di ba? Tapos ito, derivative niyan, di ba? 1 lang. So, A is equals to 1.2 T plus 1. T, ano yung ba yung T natin, guys? Sinabi, find the acceleration when time is 3 seconds. So, 1.2, 3 plus 1. Ilan yan? 4.6 meter per second squared. Meter per seconds yung units natin. Bakit? Ayun Ito, kita ba yung binilog ko, guys? Uy, wait lang, bilogin ko, baka maligo kayo eh. Ito, meter per seconds, Gets? So, na-solve na natin yun. Proceed na tayo sa problem number 2. So, hello guys. So, for the number 2, a smallest projectile vertically downward. So, ito yun. Taas, ito yung tubig. So, fluid medium with an initial velocity of 60 meter per second. Due to drag, the resistance of the fluid and projectile experience a decelerations. V cube ba yun? Oo, tama. Tapos, wherein V is meter per second, determine the projectile velocity. The projectile velocity is the final velocity since given tayo ng initial velocity. And the positions at time 4 seconds after it is fired. So, first, yung equation natin, ito, di ba? Yung A, palitan daw natin ng dV over dt. Negative 0.4 V cube. Tapos, variable separable mo yan. dV over V raised to positive 3, negative 0.4 dt. Cross-multiply lang yan, guys. Then, lahat na magkakamukhang variable, yun, guys. Variable separable. So, from the loss of exponent, aangat to, magiging to negative. Equals naman to sa negative 0.4 dt. So, pwede na tayo mag-integrate yan, guys. Integrate, tapos dito integrate. So, sinabi sa problem, guys, yung velocity natin yan from 60 initial velocity up to final velocity, which is the unknown. So, dito naman is from 0 up to t. T siya, guys. Pero pwede mong ilagay up to 4 seconds. For as of this moment, guys, t muna para maghanap muna tayo ng equation. Pero pwede mong ilagay dito is 4. Kung nagmamadali kang i-solve, pwede naman, guys. So, eto, ano yung integration nito? Diba? Negative 3 plus 1 lang yan. Negative 3 plus 1. So, wag ko na susulat yan, guys. Negative 2 all over negative 2. 60 tas VF. Negative 0.4 T. And then 0 to T. O, gets? So, upper limit minus the lower limit. So, ayusin lang natin, no? 1 over negative 2V squared. 60 tapos BF. Negative 0.4T. 0 to T. 0 to T yun, di ba, guys? Yung limits niya. Guys, di ko na masyadong itinuturo yung integration dito, guys. Tapos na tayo sa integral. First year yun. Second year na tayo. So, upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit, no? So, upper limit, lahat ng B, palitan natin ng BF. Minus, lower limit is 60 to 60 squared. Equals, negative 0.4, yung limit, palitan natin daw ng T. Minus, lower limit is 0. Negative 0.4, yung T, palitan natin ng 0. So, cancel to. Negative 2VF squared 1 plus 1 over 260 squared equals a negative 0.4T. So, ano yung susunod dyan, guys? Mag-ano tayo? Kunin natin dyan yung VF lang, no? Paano yung gagawin, guys? 2 times 60 squared is what? 7,200. Plus 1 over 7,200 equals sa negative 0.4 T. Kaso, tanggalin natin to, negative 2. Nag-multiply ako both sides by negative 2 para maging 1 over VF squared equals sa plus. Oops, hindi to plus. Ito ay minus na yan. Minus 2 over what? 7,200 or pag sinimplify mo to 1 over 3,600 equals sa negative 2 times negative 4, negative 0.4 is positive 0.8t, diba? So, ano susunod natin gagawin, guys? So, what? Angat natin to. VF raised to negative 2. Mag-iiba yung exponent yan kasi inangat. Tapos ito lipat sa kabila. 0.8t plus 1 over 36. Gets? So, next is that tanggalan natin to ng negative 2. So, times lang tayo ng negative 1 half. Pati sa kabila, negative 1 half. So, ano mangyayari dito? Cancel to. Cancel. Negative, magka-cancel. So, positive na yan. This could be VF. 0.8t plus 1 over 36 raised to negative 1 half. Naintindihan ba yun guys? Yung mga pinagsasabi ko doon. Gets naman. I hope na gets guys. So, VF is equals sa unknown. Kaso, given tayo ng time which is 4 seconds. So, substitute mo lang yung time dyan. VF 0.8t plus 1 over 36 raised to negative 1 half. Kaso yung t mo, eto, palitan mo yan ng 4. So, yung t natin, palitan natin ng 4. 4. So, VF, insert mo yan sa calculator mo, guys. So, ano magiging kalalabasan yan? 0.559 meter per seconds. So, next, proceed naman yan tayo dun sa position. Position yung hinahanap. So, how to get the position, guys? The position is the derivative, the position with respect to time is equal sa velocity. So, we can say that, wait lang guys, puno na pala. Dito na lang, no? Ito, itong BF, guys, palitan niya natin yan ds over dt. Is equal sa 0.8t plus 1 over 36 raised to negative 1 half. ds sa 0.8t plus 1 over 36 raised to negative 1 half of dt. Kinross multiply ko lang yan guys ha. Tapos nyan guys, integrate mo. From 0 to s or 0 to t. Pero pwede mong palitan to ng 4. Kung trip mo agad. Pero t muna. So s. Oh, wait lang. Mahirap integrate to. So, kailangan natin mag-usab dito, di ba? Usab 0.8t plus 1 over 36 du is equal sa 0.8 is equal sa dt. So, sulat ko muna. Baka malito kayo eh. Yan guys. 0 to t. Tas itong kabuuan magiging u yan. Kaso may negative 1 half tayo. Tas itong dt magiging du all over 0.8. Gets naman. O gets. Tapos nyan guys, pwede na nating labas to, di ba? So, wait lang, no? Ayoko pang integrate eh. Baka malito kayo eh. So, 1 over 0.8 0 to t u raised to negative 1 half du. O, next. Integral ng u raised to negative 1 half is what? 2u raised to 1 half, di ba? Tapos ito, integral nito is s with respect sa limit na 0 to s. Baka malito kayo saan galing yung isa, u raised to negative 1 half plus 1, negative 1 half plus 1. So, ito ay magiging u raised to 1 half, tas ito magiging 1 half. So, reciprocal magiging 2u raised to 1 half. Ito yun. Tas may limit daw siya ng 0 to t. Kaso, meron siyang 1 over 0.8. Naintindihan ba guys? Sana naintindihan. Oh, dito naman tayo. Ang gulo ng solution natin. Pero game lang. Eto na. From s, yung upper limit minus lower limit is 0 equals sa 1 over 0.8. Yung u natin, 2. Tapos may u tayo. Ano yung value ng u natin guys? Oh, wait lang. So, ano yung u? Ito, parang hindi tayo malito, no? 2 tas 0.8 tayo, no? 2 over 0.8. Ilan yung katumbas niyan, guys? 2 over 0.8. 2.5, di ba? So, 2.5. Tanggalin na natin to. Gawin natin tong 2.5. So, 2.5, no? Para madaling buhay natin. 2.5. Tapos yung u. Ano yung u natin? Balik natin yung u. 0.80 plus 1 over 36. Limits niyan is what? Wait lang, no? Hindi na yata pwedeng mausog. Meron to. Raised to what? Positive 1 up, di ba? The limits is 0 to t. So, game. S minus 0 is still S. 2.5. Eliminate na natin yung limits dito. 0.8. Yung t natin daw, gagawin natin ulit ng t. Plus 1 over 36. Minus daw natin ng 0.8. Tapos yung t, gawin natin 0. Plus. Magpa-plus tayo ng 136. Gets upper limit, palitan lahat ng t. Ito yun. Upper limit, then the lower limit minus lower limit. So, S equals sa 2.5. 0.8t. Ne. Minus a plus 1 over 36. Minus, cancel na to. Ang natira is negative 1 over 36. So, anong gagawin natin, guys? Huwag mo na simplify yan. Solpak mo na yung values ng 4. S is unknown. T is equals to 4. S, 2.5. 0.8 plus 4 plus 1 over 36. Lahat ng T, palitan mo ng 4. Yan, guys. So, 2.5 na times daw natin ng ano. May parenthesis yan, guys, ha. 0.84 plus 1 over 36 minus 1 over 36. $2.5. Oops, guys. Wait. The 1/2, guys. Wag kakalimutan yung 1/2, men. Tas naka 1/2 yan, di ba? Na-eliminate natin yung 0.8 times 0 dito. Kaso may 1/2 yan. 1/2. Tas ito 1/2. So, anong final answer nyan, guys? Nakalimutan yung 1/2, guys. So, game. Buti na lang nakita, men. So, the S is 4.431 meter. So, this will be the final answer, guys. Nagets? Huwag na lang kalimutan yung 1/2. Yung 1/2, saan nanggaling, guys? May 1/2 yan, ayan, no? Ito, nakalimutan lang ilagay dito. So, huwag na lang kalimutan yung mga exponent na yan, guys. Gets? 4.431, the final answer. Gets. So, proceed tayo dito sa ating third problem, guys. So, oops. Saan na yun? Wait lang, ayaw ma-zoom, guys. Ayan. So, hello, guys. So, the next problem is that A is equals to 4t cubed minus 1. Acceleration to, where t is in seconds, s is 2 meters daw. Yung velocity natin is 5. The time is 0. Determine the particle's velocity and positions. So, particle's velocity, positions. Position is s when the time is 5 seconds. So, yung A natin, pwede natin gawin tong dv over dt, di ba? So, dv over dt is equals to 4t cubed minus 1. Yung dv is equals to 4t cubed minus 1 dt. Gets? O gets. So, next is that integrate natin both sides kasi variable separable na yan. 5 is the given velocity up to final. So, dito naman from 0 to t. Pwede naman siyang gawing 5 kaagad dito eh. Pero gagawin muna natin siya letter t. So, v, the limit is 5 and vf is equals sa t raised to 4 minus t. Shinortcut ko ng integration dun, no guys? From 0 to t. So, find na upper limit minus lower limit. So, upper limit minus lower limit. So, VF is equals sa t raised to 4 minus t plus 5. Gets? So, ang tinatanong, what is VF when the time is 5 seconds, diba? Ayan, no? So, VF, 5 raised to 4 minus 5 plus 5. So, cancel na to. 5 raised to 4 is what? 625 yun, diba guys? So, 625. 625 meter per seconds. That's the VF, guys. So, next, the position when the time is 5 seconds. So, position is unknown. So, V. Ano ba yung V natin, guys? Di ba pwede natin siyang i-convert into ds over dt? Yun yung S is the time. So, ds all over dt is equals t raised to 4 minus t plus 5. ds t raised to 4 minus t plus 5. Tapos parenthesis ng dt. Cross multiply lang yan, guys. Tapos, variable separable na sila, di ba? Integrate mo na lang yan sila. Ano yung tinatanong, guys? Wait, tingnan nga natin yung problem. 2 meters up to unknown length. 2 meters S, and then from 0, T natin. Pero pwede mo siyang gawin kaagad na 5, pero T muna yung gagamitin natin. So, S, limit is 2 to S pala. Skal, T ka na maging 5, boy, ah. S to is equals to t raised to 5 minus t squared all over 2 plus 5t. So, the limit is 0 to t. So, S to, diba? So, magiging tong S minus 2. So, t raised to 5 minus t squared all over 2 plus 5t. So, yung S natin, lipat lang tong kabila, itong 2. Magiging tong t raised to 5. Kinakopy ko lang, guys, t squared over 2 plus 5t. Kaso yung negative 2, lipa mo sa kabila, magiging plus 2. So, yung S natin is unknown with the time of 5 seconds. Alpha x raised to 5 minus alpha x squared over 2 plus 5 alpha x plus 2. Kaso yung time natin, palitan daw natin ng 5. So, S wait lang, no, guys. Minus 5 squared plus 5 raised to 5 minus 5 squared all over 2. 2 to 2 plus 5 plus 2, diba? Plus 5. Wait lang, guys. Mukhang mali yata yung nandito, ah. S5 then x squared. Okay. Hindi siya naka-divide 5. Wait lang, no? Okay. Integral daw nito. Integral ng t raised to 4, diba? T raised to 5 all over 5. Tapos integral nito, t squared all over 2. Integral nito is 5t. So, kulang lang siya ng over 5. Over 5. Then, dito rin, is over 5. So, the position, S to, di ba? Position of a particle is what? S is equal sa 5 raised to 5, di ba? All over 5 minus 5 squared all over 2 plus 5 raised to 5, ay 5 multiplied by 5 plus 2. Yung S, the position is 639.5. This is the position of a particle. Kaso yung tinatanong, determine the total distance of the particles traveled during this period, guys. Kung maalala nyo, guys, wait lang, no? Pagkita natin. Based from this problem, eto, guys, binilog ko sa problem, guys. Zoom nga natin. Wait lang, ayaw ma-zoom. Where t is in seconds, the time is 0. Kaso nasa 2 meters away daw siya. Ito yung reference point natin. Kaso 2 meters away when the time is 0. So, yung total position niyan dito, guys, is what? 637.5. Ang 637.5, guys, plus 2 is 639.5. Ibig sabihin nito, guys, yung total distance that traveled, guys, is that nandito siya when the time is 0. When the time is 0, nandito yung particle. Pero yung reference point niya is 2 meters away. 2 meters away na kagad siya. Pero yung time is 0 pa lang. So, naglakad na siya, guys, up to time is 5 seconds, guys. Yung distance na nilakad niya from the reference, from this point, is what? 637.5. 637.5. So, ibig sabihin, the total distance traveled is 637.5. Kasi dito siya nag-start, naglakad siya papunta dito with the distance of 637.5. Tapos, ito yung position niya, guys, from this point up to the reference point. Gets? That's the 639.5 position. And the total distance traveled is 637.5. Gets? Sana naintindihan nyo, guys. So, proceed tayo dito. Number na tayo. 4 yata to. Number 4, no? O, game. So, hello, guys. So, the next problem is that A is equals to 60V raised to negative 4. Ang A, pwede natin palitan ng dV over dt, di ba? So, dV all over dt. So, that cross-multiply mo yan, dV is equals to 60V raised to negative 4 dt. Kaso ito, lipat natin by dividing both sides by negative V raised to negative 4. Cancel, cancel. Ito, V raised to negative 4 para umangat gawing positive. So, integrate natin yan. So, before natin i-integrate, where V in meter per second, its velocity. Determine the velocity when the time is 3 seconds. Kaso, sinabi sa problem, 2 seconds daw. It begins to accelerate. So, initial velocity niya is 2 seconds. So, integrate natin. 2 seconds yung initial velocity. The final velocity is the unknown. Then, 0. So, 0, yun yung starting point with the unknown, with the time given by 3. 3 naman yung gagamitin natin, pero pwedeng gamitin yung t. Pero rekta na natin 3 agad, no? Gets? So, ito is V raised to 5 all over 5. 2 VF is equals to 60t 0 to 3. So, VF over 5 minus 2 raised to 5 all over 5 is equals to 63 minus 60, 0. So, wala na to. So, ang gagawin dyan natin is multiply tayo both sides by 5. So, para BF na lang yung matitira. Negative. This will be a negative. Wait lang nga. Pangit na sulat, guys. So, negative 2 raised to 5 is equals to 63. Tapos nag-multiply tayo ng 5 sa lahat. Diba? Para makancel lang to. Tapos dito napunta yung 5. So, ito yung 5. Lipat lang natin to. B raised to 5 over 5. Ay, raised to 5. Ito, raised to 5. VF is equals to 63, then 5 plus 2 raised to 5. So, VF, since naka-raise to 5 yan guys, so gagawin natin is multiply tayo ng 1 over 5 para makancel lang. Pati dito yun, mamumultiply siya ng 63, 5 plus 2 raised to 5 by 1 over 5. So, VF is equals to what? 63 raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 5 with 1 over 5. Ganyan yan i-insert sa calculator mo, no? 60 times 3, 5 plus 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 over 5. Answer is 3.9325, no? 3.925 meter per seconds, guys. Gets, guys? So, next, last problem. Pre-fall na to. So, a ball is thrown vertically upward from the top of the building with a height of 30 meter with an initial velocity of 5 meter per second. So, binato siya pataas. At the same instant, another ball B is thrown. Ball B is thrown upward from the ground with an initial velocity of 20 meter per second. So, it's thrown upward and determine the height from the ground and the time they will pass. Ito, binato mo, bababa yan dito. Let's say, nandito na siya. Tapos ito, binato mo, bababa na siya dito. Ano yung height na nandito from the ground and anong oras sila nagkita. Gets? So, determine the height and will they pass through. The height from the and the time at which they pass. So, they pass sana. So, eto yun. So, game. For ball A, eto yung ball A. Eto yung ball B. Ball A na height. Height of the ball. Wait lang, no? Height of the ball reaches na nasa taas siya ng building is the total height minus the 30. Height minus 30. Kasi yung total nito is h. Kaso may 30 to. So, h minus 30 is equals daw siya sa V. Ito yung formula na natin, no? BIT plus 1 up GT squared. Yung BI natin is 5 plus T is unknown plus 1 up. Yung G natin is negative since binato sa pataas. T squared. So, height is equals to 5T minus 4.905T squared plus 30. So, ito na equation number 1. So, equation number 2 tayo. Ball B. So, ito yung ball B. Ito. Yung age natin is unknown. Ito yung height niya. Ito, itong kulay pula. So, equals to VIT. Yung VI natin is 20 times time plus 1 half of negative 9.81 T squared. Equals to 20T minus 4.905 T squared, diba? So, saan galing 4.905 times mo lang to? 1 half times 9.81. Equation number 2. Ngayon, to get the time that they meet, so, equate mo lang yung equation 1 sa equation 2. So, h equals sa h. So, yung h muna, eto muna, 5t minus 4.905t squared plus 30 equals sa height na to. 20t minus 4.905t squared. So, eto ay magka-cancel. So, eto nyan is what? 30 equals sa, lipat sa kabila, 20t minus 5t. 30 is equals sa 15t. Divide both sides by 15. T is equals sa seconds, guys. Gets? So, anong tinatanong sa isa? height from the ground. So, height ng B. So, ito yung height ng B, di ba? So, height of B is 20t minus 4.905 t squared. So, substitute the value of 2 seconds. T squared. So, height of B is equal sa 20 minus 4.905 t squared. So, 20.38 meters, guys. 20.38 meters yan, guys. Sa height from the ground, dun sila nakita. 20.38 meters at 2 seconds nag-meet sila. They pass through. Okay. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you and God bless.